If you're looking to sell your home in Knoxville, Tennessee, you may have heard of cash for your home or sell your home fast for cash or something along those lines. But what exactly are all cash offers and how do they work? Well, in this video, we'll take a closer look at cash offers for your home and help you decide if it's going to be the right option for you. An all cash offer is a type of purchase offer where the buyer is offering to pay for the home in all cash. And this can be a great option for homeowners who need to sell their home quickly and they don't want to put their home on the open market. With an all cash offer, the sale process is typically faster and more streamlined. You'll be able to avoid the showings and most of the contingencies that come with the traditional home sale. The contingencies that are typically avoided with all cash offers are going to be your appraisals, your financing contingencies, and sometimes the homeowner doesn't have to negotiate any repairs. However, it is important to keep in mind that home cash offers are usually for a lower amount than the market value of the home. And this is because cash buyers are typically investors looking to purchase the property for less than market value. That way, they can turn around and sell it for a profit. So if you're trying to get the highest price for your home, selling to a cash investor may not be the best option for you. But please also keep in mind, there are several cash buyers throughout the country who do pay market value for properties in all cash. Whether you're looking to sell your home quickly or you want to get the highest price, it's important for you to weigh the pros and cons of a home cash offer and to possibly consult with a real estate professional to help you make the best decision for your situation. So let's review really quick the major pros and cons to the seller when selling the home quickly to a cash investor. Well, number one, most of the time the property is going to be sold as is, meaning the seller doesn't need to make any kind of home repairs. Number two, the appraisal is waived. Number three, the cash investor can most likely close within 10 days or they're going to close on your time frame. Number four, the homeowner doesn't have to pay real estate commissions. And number five, the homeowner doesn't have to deal with property showings. And lastly, number six, problems with the buyer's loan will be avoided. And really, the only con to the homeowner is that they are leaving money on the table when selling to a cash investor. Thanks for watching this video. My name is Patrick Goswitz. I'm a real estate broker with eXp Realty. And if you're looking to sell your home in the Knoxville area quickly for cash, or you want to put your home on the open market to maximize your profits, give me a call at 865-588-1234. Thanks and have a great day.